You see that girl? I will snatch her from Tobechi within a twinkle of an eye.
You mean you gave that poor church rat 50,000 naira and she refused it?
She never knew it was 50,000 naira. She just saw the bundle of money and refused to collect it.
It was your fault.
Really?
Yes. Next time, announce the amount. Tell her the exact figure and you'll be surprised. She will just run after you, not minding your old age. Eh? I mean, who is Tobechi? That poor church rat. You know, women with money. Okay, just give her enough money and she will be yours forever. Trust me.
Have you seen Nancy anywhere around the house?
Is she not inside with you?
She's nowhere to be found.
Where could she have gone to?
When did she leave the house? Because we didn't see her going out while discussing here.
You don't know my daughter. As we're here talking, she can just sneak off and there's no way you will know. She moves like a spirit. Scorpio!
Sir.
Now you go to the village. Huh? Yes. Look for my daughter. Search everywhere. If you see her with anybody, no matter the number of people, bundle all of them here. Okay?
Woto, sir.
Now move.
Yes, sir.
I don't understand this girl. How can she leave the house without letting anybody know where she is going? What if they hurt her?
Anyway, it's alright, you can leave.
You mean they should bundle Slega them?
You watch too much of football.
I am so happy to see you now. Thank you for coming. You're welcome.
Do you know, I love being around people, irrespective of my father's status in this society.
Child. Hey, Mom, you're a nice person. Is you very good girl. You're just an opposite of your father. Yeah?
Always open.
I just pray that the sins of our fathers should not visit us, the children. Hurry.
Oma, you are funny.
Oma is right, you know.
God bless you.
My father and I are two different people.
Child.
You know?
Very...
Scorpio, what is it? No, please. What is it? No, you should leave my friends alone, please.
Move.
No, they are not going. No, they are not going anywhere.
What did we do?
No, please, leave them alone. What is that? Leave them. Leave them alone. Leave my friends alone. What is the meaning of this?
So, both of you idiots had the guts to invite my daughter over to your place to kill her, right?
No, sir. No. She came on her own. We didn't invite her over. We asked her to come.
We did not, though. We did
not. Shut up.
Sorry, sir.
And you expect me to believe you, right?
Sir, I said the woman lied to me. We did not invite her. She came on her own accord. We asked her to go, but she refused.
Liars! Some girls in disguise. Look at how innocent their faces look. They can kill, pretend to be holy.
We are holy.
Quiet!
You're not like that. You're not like that, though.
Now, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
And listen very carefully. I am going to hold two of you here for 2 weeks. Without food, without water. If you are lucky to survive it, then you may go home to meet your people. If you are not, if you die, I'll bury you here.
Hey! Dogs will have something to eat.
Oh no.
Now get out.
Baby, continue.
Oh, sorry, give me the
What's that? Now,
Take them there! Tie them up! Oh, boss! Tie them up!
Go and tell my wife. Make sure my daughter. Hey! What have I said? Idiot. Come again!
He's an idiot indeed.
I said go and tell my wife to ensure my daughter does not leave this house again.
Alright, sir.
Idiot, get out! Can you see how foolish he is?
He's an idiot.
I've not even said anything yet.
We better to sit there.
I'm pleading on their behalf. Knwn is the only sibling I have, please.
Oh, she's your only sibling. And she decided to disobey my orders.
Chief, I'm going to caution her. Immediately you release her. Please, make she a warning. Serious warning. Please.
That is if she's still alive by the time I release her.
Eh?
Yes. Because suppose she dies while in custody here. How will she listen to your cautioning?
Now listen, I've heard a lot about you guys when I was in the UK. And it will be in your best interest to leave this compound now before I lose it.
Oh. I'm sure you don't know him. You don't know him. This is Donald, the son of Romanus. You know, like he said, he was in the UK and he's here now. He's a very rugged person. If you do anyhow, you will see anyhow from him. Now, as for your sister and your daughter, I am not going to release her until I change my mind. And right now, my mind is not changed. Now, get out. Get out of my compound! Scorpion!
Dad, so this is true. You mean these village riffraffs come to the house to disturb you and Okwibetu every day?
Donald, mind your language. Who are you referring as riffraff? Your own people?
Of course, Mom. They are riffraffs and they should be treated as such.
Donald, please, don't mind your mother. She's always in support of the villagers. She always sees herself as one of them. That is the problem I'm passing here.
When you misunderstood me, Romanus, you relate these people as if they are not human beings. Look, I don't support evil, and you know it.
Of course, Mom. They are not. These people are poor people and they should be treated as such.
Will you shut up and keep quiet? You think this is UK? These people are the people who are going to save you tomorrow, and you are here talking nonsense. God in heaven knows that I will not support evil. Never!
You are the reason this woman is still in my house. If not, she would have gone back to her father's house. She can only produce you. And I'm beating her because of you. But I think I have taken enough from her.
Daddy, please, I am the one at fault. I visited them uninvited. Please, release them. Please, Daddy.
Yes. You are very lucky. You are lucky that you are my daughter. If not, I would have tied you together with them.
Dad, please. These girls are innocent. I'm begging you, please, for my own sake, release them, let them go.
Nancy, shut up and keep quiet. Why do you like associating yourself with those barbarians? Don't you know they are not your class?
Mommy, what are you saying? Those girls are created by God. And you never can tell what tomorrow will bring. Dad, if anything happens to them, I will tell the villagers that both of you killed them. Nancy! Let me come out here, my friends! How dare you walk out of here?
Let her go, She doesn't know what she's doing.
Please. Romanis, please, I beg you, help me and talk to Ibe, to your friend, to release those girls before they die there.
They will not die. We want them to remain in that place and learn their lesson. So when they get out of that bondage, they will know their limits with the rich.
Romanos, I am a mother. I feel their pains. They are people's children, Romanos. If it happens to be done out here, how will you feel?
Oh, Mom. Thank God it's not me. And it can never be me.
Yes.
Why can't you talk to your father as a man? Donald, don't do something that will affect you tomorrow.
See, Mom, there is nothing like that. We are rich, and with money, we can afford anything we want in life.
Tell her to understand that. That money answered all things.
Yes.
Donald, you are still a child. By the time you discover the differences between today and the future, you will know the importance of the poor.
Woman, poverty has no importance in the community. Poverty is useless, is a rotten egg, is a virus. If there is any importance in poverty, maybe that might be in your father's house, not for me. And don't refer my son. My son is not of that level.
Sorry for you.
Ibetu, this is bad. This is unfair. And the likes of it have never been seen in this land. You kidnapped those girls, you have imprisoned them, and we are aware they have neither had food nor drink.
Hey.
Please, release them. Let me warn you that if anything happens to those girls while they are in your custody, you will answer to the authorities. As the chairman, I have come to instruct you. Please, release those girls.
You are very stupid. Yes. You feel you wear so much powers that you can come here and instruct me on what to do? You dare come to my compound to instruct me? Why did you both come here with this imbecile? He has only succeeded in spoiling your case. Who are you to instruct me? Anyway, because of these poor village women, I will release them, but on one condition.
What conditions are anything we will do with people?
Well, as you know, I'm a peacemaker. I don't make trouble. They will just clean my house and that of Romanus for a day.
So, watch out.
If you can do that, then I will release them.
So, we'll do it, sir. We will do it. Yes.
But just a piece of advice. Anytime you want to request something meaningful from anybody, don't use this poor church rat as a front for you. And his air of arrogance is repugnant, is disgusting. Idiot. Scorpion.
Yes, boss.
Go and untie them and release them.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chief. Thank you, sir.
You know how to thank, right?
They are stronger than you. You can't fight them. You can't fight them. They are stronger than you. If it's for money, they have money. Oh. I can't go from a logo.
I can avoid that girl entirely. Stay away from her troubles. You know we don't have anybody to talk for us. Just have to be careful.
I've heard you, brother. I'll be careful this time around.
You can imagine how we were humiliated, even when we said the truth. You and Alma were tied with a rope for no reason. Just for no reason. Anyway, all thanks to the village chairman, Mr. Mbaju.
I think I will go and thank him.
You don't have to. I've done that already. Yes, I've actually done that already. All you have to do is to stay away from all these people and their troubles. I'm warning you now. Please, oh, please, know I'm saying it.
Are you serious? So you mean Chief Ibeto and Romanus tied up in Knwn and the Oma without minding that they are girls?
Hey, that man is very wicked and heartless.
Those men have really dealt with us in this village. They've really dealt with us.
See, listen, guys. I think the best thing is that we should avoid these men at all costs. Because those men are very wicked. Not just wicked, they are heartless. And they can actually go to an extent of killing someone. Even use money to cover up the case. Maya deba, and abaka achwatalo. So badro.
Money. The root of all evil. This town. God, please, when are you going to give us this money? The intimidation is too much.
Okay.
Can you imagine that little boy, Chief Romanu's son, point his fingers on my face? If I catch that boy anywhere in this village, I'm going to kill that boy. In fact, I'll beat that boy, I'll beat that boy blue and black. Nonsense.
You just have to take this easy. You understand? For now, we cannot do anything. You understand? So So that is why that whatever they present to us, we just have to accept it. Unless no here, like man to man, bone to bone. You not say okay, we can at least challenge them. But for now, we just have to pipe low.
Anyway, I see the boy in this village, I'll beat him. I'll beat that boy. Who can tell that?
All you say, no.
Probably
the boy. One
they get money, they don't want to help others. They have money. Well, Chief Remanus and Gibet. They are sons of America community. They're the richest people in America. All this money where una get, make una they help people. They have money.
Is that my former that I'm seeing inside that car? Of course. She's the one. Hey, wait. Is she dating Chief Romanus now?
Hey, John.
But wait, is Tobe aware of this? I don't think so. Kai! Hey! Informer! So this girl left my brother and followed this old man because of money. Thomas, see, I need to inform my brother immediately. Let's go. Pia.
Everybody they break. Make
Mama,
to help one another. Makabwa for nye for lafu. Akwa for na gokwete. Chompelo. Kodayelo. For nye sibela. Ora geri chapa. Mana.
Are you actually telling me the truth that you saw Informer in a car with Romanus? Are you actually telling me the truth now?
Brother, will I lie to you? I saw Informer inside this car laughing and discussing with him happily.
Hey, it was serious.
I am serious, oh! Huh. Very serious.
Oh, I know that this girl likes money, but I can't imagine Informer with Romanus, that old man, just because of money. Just because of money. Romanus.
Brother, do you know what? Just call and ask her. Call her! Why are Joy?
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Where Romanus is touching and romancing her inside.
Something like that. Something like that, brother. Just call her.
And Informer was
smiling on her, just say, she was laughing, oh. Serious. Huh? Yeah. Easy, my heart attack. You don't have to think about that. Huh? Just call her and ask her. Call her.
My love, promise me that you'll never leave me for another man.
I promise. I love you so much. Nothing will separate me from you.
So you're saying that you're going to spend the rest of your life with me?
Yes. Babe, all those questions are unnecessary. I mean, we're in love with each other. Okay? I love you so much. And nothing, absolutely nothing, can separate us. Well, unless you start going for all those, village girls.
My love, I want to promise you that no girl in this village can take my heart away from you. Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm very, very sure, 100% sure. In fact, my love for you is blind, just like this. I'm not even saying. I'm not even seeing any other person.
Oh, babe.
I still cannot believe that Ifeoma and Tobe are no longer together. You still don't believe. Huh? You don't believe. You are talking as if you don't know women. Bro, when money enter, women change. Ifeanyi, you don't understand. The truth of the matter is that you don't understand. Ifeoma and Tobechi have been in a relationship for over 2 years plus now. I'm very surprised the way she suddenly changed. Immediately Chief Romanus came into the picture. It still baffles me. You don't understand. Well, you don't understand, but me, I understand. What I understand is that you see women, they love money. And that girl, she love money even more than Tobechi. So leave her. You will not blame her. Romanus, my guy, listen. You will not blame her. No woman, there is no woman in this world that doesn't like money. That is why I always advise you. Let's forget about relationship. You understand? Let's first of all try to make money. When we make money, there is no kind of women or woman that we cannot have. Listen, let me tell you, I don't believe in love. As far as I'm concerned, love is a scam. Yes. Love, you see me, If it's my girlfriend that left me for another man, my boss, I will beat that girl and beat the boyfriend. To God who made me. That is why I don't care. You say anything love. It's not my thing. If I make money, if I make money, any girl that has been nonsense with me.
What nonsense? Yes. What nonsense? Yes. See the guts to walk out on us. Yes. Saying she will not pay the 500 naira. Hey. For what? For what? If she did not pay that 500 naira, if she did not pay it, yes, she should not come back to this meeting. Yes. Landlord, she should not come back to this meeting again. I support you. Madam, only 500 naira she cannot pay. Yes. Madam, what nonsense? Don't tell us the 500 naira. Don't tell us. We don't want to listen to you. We don't need 500 naira. She must come. Her presence is supposed to be here. She must come. Madam, yes. Keep your 500 naira. Yes. Bam. If as long as she has walked out of this meeting without paying that 500 naira, she should go. We don't want her in this meeting again. Hey. We don't want her here.
It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down. Just because of 500 naira. Let's just go on.
Who is she? Who is she? Yes. Who is she? Challenge that supports you. Who is she? Yes. In fact, she should not come back to this meeting again. Yes. Hey, you just disgrace yourself before those women today. And that is bad of you.
Disgrace myself, you mean? Me, disgrace myself? That I should have given those women 500 naira for late coming, or for what? People that will not even value my money, that I should give my money to.
Hey! Come on, 500 naira is nothing. It's something you can just give out like that.
Yes, it is simple. I can sacrifice 500 naira. But me, I will not give it to those women. Those hungry women, they will never value anything you give to them. I will not give them. Mother, you are so unbelievable. You mean you left the meeting because of ordinary 500 naira? Yes, so. Something that you can just give to a baby to buy sweets with. Oh. Yes. I can give 500 naira to a baby, but I don't want to give it to those hungry women. Jesus wept. I don't want to give it my money to them because of coming late. They are looking for who to feed them. I will not give them my money. No.
Hey! You will never change. We don't have to follow the footsteps of our husband. It's our duty as good wives to make them change towards our people.
Auntie, if you like, talk from now till next year. She will not listen to you. Upon God, you know.
mind, yeah, I'm really disappointed in her. Eh? How could she break up with Tobe to follow other married men?
Anyways, I don't blame her much. Who doesn't like money?
What are you saying now? What are you saying? So if you were in her position, you do the same thing, eh?
No, I'm not saying that I will do the same thing, no. But Tobe does not have anything. Does not have any money.
So yes, because he doesn't have money, she will not break up with Tobe because of poverty.
I don't know.
To follow old man, I mean an old man because he has money. I don't seem to understand it. Wait, hold on. So if you were in her position, is that the same thing you would do?
I'm not saying it's what I would do. But check it now. Tobe hasn't made any money.
So she would follow that old man. On the ground of poverty.
If will you stand? If it was you, will you stand?
So because Tobe has not made money.
No, I'm not saying that, but
what are you now saying?
Check it.
Yeah, I just think if she can reconsider her decisions and do the right thing. That's all I'm saying.
Anyways,
I'm not even here to support her. I don't seem to understand you. What kind of friend are you?
You see that girl before me? You better.
She's very sweet. She's so sweet that I cannot let her go for anything.
Romanus.
Mimigo.
No. Wait. Don't tell me that she has accepted your proposal and you've already visited her local government headquarters.
Does she have any option? She has no option. After giving her 200,000 naira, she has no other option than to accept me.
You see?
Then the local government headquarters is in.
You see? You can see that I'm a very good advisor.
You're a woman contractor, WC.
I told you the other time. I asked you, how could you give her 50,000 naira without announcing it? You know these poor people. Now that you've given her the 200,000, I'm sure you announced it. You see now, the local government headquarters is now an expressway for you.
I am telling you.
You're a bad guy.
You are my master.
You're a bad guy.
Oh, Donald. Yes, sir. You're going out?
Yes, I want to go and see a friend of mine. I'll be back soon.
You are not going with the car?
No. I'll take a cab.
Okay, please. Be careful, okay?
Yes, Dad. Uncle?
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself.
Okay, Donald. Do have a nice day, okay? Romanus, are you sure Donald didn't hear what we discussed about Ifeoma? Because I don't want him to go and tell your wife. Oh.
If they told you bother yourself about nothing. Donald is the only child given to me by my wife since we got married for a very long time now. She won't bother if I get married again. Of course she will understand.
Romanus, you're saying this because you have a very calm woman as your wife. What of me? God gave me only one daughter. So of course I need other children more than you. But if I ever venture to carry another woman or girl and my wife is aware of it, BBC, CNN, even our own DBS will carry the news.
But how could you do a thing like that? Your wife is endowed with natural endowment. In fact, let me tell you, if I am the husband to your wife, Anne, I will not be going out again. I will go automatic resignation from work because I will be sleeping in there morning and night.
Now I know you are a very wicked friend. No, you are selfish. Look at you going for the young pullets. You know, you visit all the local government headquarters and you want me to get stuck with an old woman. No.
I will even visit state secretary.
Let me tell you, The young ones, they replenish our body. They make the body to look very sumptuous. Then you see that I'm looking young like this.
Look at him. Evil child. Omekanneananjo. Like father, like son. Don't worry. All your evil will catch up with you people one day. And by that time, I, Chuka, will pretend like you don't exist. Look at them. Ndembo. Don't worry.
Knwn.
Brother.
I'm tired of staying in this village. I want to let you know that I'll be leaving for the city to look for a greener pasture. I can't be in this village and be doing nothing, roasting. I'm a full-grown man. I just have to go. I just have to go out and look for something to do for myself.
Brother, it's a good decision. Eh? But what will you be doing when you get to the city? And who will you stay with?
Okay, I have a friend of mine from Ameke village. Yeah, he stays in the city. And he has accepted that I should come and stay with him once I come to the city. Yeah, so don't bother yourself about that one. I'll be fine.
Hi, brother. I'll miss you. I'll miss you.
I will miss you too, my wonderful sister.
My wonderful brother.
Don't worry, I'll be sending you money for your upkeep. Okay?
Okay, as from 50,000, you will have money then.
No, I want to finish the money. I've not even made the money. I want to finish it.
Your sister?
Yeah?
50,000.
Me. Tobechi, the idea of you going to the city is a nice one, but do you have anyone in the city?
If I tell you this thing, if I tell you guys this thing, you'll be surprised. Do you know Ebuka? We attended primary school together now.
Ebuka?
Yes.
I know him!
Ebuka is a native monkey, but he has shoulder, he has ankle. As I was saying, Ebuka stays in the city. And he has accepted that he will harbor me whenever I enter the city.
Yeah. That's nice of him.
Yeah.
At least it's better than staying in this village.
Huh?
But please, Tobechi, when you get to the city, please don't forget us. Because I can't wait to join you there. Can't wait to be a city boy.
Hey, I'm seeing the city and seeing how much I'm making money in the city.
You are seeing the city already?
I tell you. Please do not forget to take care of my sister for me.
No worry.
Knwn is like a sister to us now.
My sister also not do even
but we'll take care of her. You should trust us. But remember also.
That's a nice one. Omaka. One of them have to go to the city. Makana, the intimidation is too much. Too much.
Mama Kenkebo, the intimidation is too much. So you know that somebody has to go to the city, and you've not told Ifeanyi, my brother, to go to the city since.
Why will I tell Ifeanyi? Ifeanyi has no one to stay with in the city. Maybe Tobe has someone to stay with. City life is not easy.
Tobe has someone to stay with in the city. And city life is not easy. Who will Tobe stay with when he goes there?
Who am I supposed to ask? All you have to do is to pray for him so that he will succeed. City life is not the same way it is in this village.
Mama, if I will go to the city, I will be happy.
So let have someone to go.
Mama,
Oh.
Just try and be careful, okay? Stay away from trouble. If you see Chief Ibano and what's his name again? Romanus coming, just enter the house, lock the door and stay there. Okay? Do not look for trouble, please.
I've heard you, brother. I will stay on my own.
If you're feeling lonely anyhow, just go to Ifeanyi's house and stay with Oma there. Okay?
No problem, bro. Brother, you will go to the city and succeed.
Amen.
No evil eyes will before you.
Amen. Oh, my prayer warrior sister.
Yes,
why didn't you put Rika Poko?
Riba Shosaraba Sakarabaya. You know I can see. But one more thing. Please stay away from all those city girls though. Eh? Just concentrate and make your money.
I want to come home, man.
No, concentrate though, because I need that money to you.
All of those boys have traveled to the city. Are you aware? No, Grandmaster. There will be war if he succeeds, unless if he does not succeed. Grandmaster, please do everything possible to make sure he remains poor for the rest of his life. The spirit of that young boy is very strong, and nobody can do anything to halt his destiny. But, Grandmaster, you promised that the pains and sufferings of the youth will make us richer. There are so many youths in that village that are suffering, and their wealth will be your wealth. Continue to frustrate them and make them suffer.
Hey, see money. Chief, all this for me?
Anything for you.
All this for me?
In fact, let me add to that.
Eh? Chief, you mean all this money for me?
Like I said, anything for you.
My
baby. You can do
deserve
that
a kiss.
again.
Hey, Chief, you know what I like. You know what I like.
Okay. So, tell me, are we still seeing tonight?
Chief, yes, we'll see. But not at that same hotel.
Why?
Chief, villagers have started seeing us around. So we need to change hotel.
Of course, you know I'm not scared of the villagers. Rather, they're the ones scared of me.
Chief, it's not about you. It's about me. If they keep seeing us together, they might tell my father.
And you think your father has not found out?
I don't think so.
It's alright. Your wish is my command.
Chief. Oh.
My doctor's prescription.
Yeah.
My blood tonic.
Chief, I'll see you later now.
It's alright, darling.
Hide this from you.
Hide it.
Chief, oh yeah. Later.
Bye. Hey.
Okay, driver, let's go.
Hey. Just see money. See better money. Hey! 21, 22, Papa, are you going out?
What did you just hide when I was coming out?
Hide? Come on. Papa, I didn't hide anything, no. Okay. You know, I just finished eating biscuits. I'm just, cleaning my body. Papa, I'm not hiding anything now.
Informer,
Papa.
listen to me. I heard a disturbing rumor. I heard that you have been seen with Romanus in compromising positions in this village. I hope you and Romanus are not having an affair.
Hey! Papa, me? Chief Romanus? Papa, how? How can I possibly have anything to do with Chief Romanus? That man that is old enough to be my father. God forbid. Papa, I don't have anything to do with that man, no. Papa, how would you even believe such lie?
Now listen to me and listen to me clearly. Let me sound this warning to you. The day I discover that you and Romanus actually are having an affair, that day you would cease to be my daughter.
Papa.
That day I would disown you and I would have nothing to do with you. Be very careful. Be very careful.
I don't have anything to do with him. I don't have anything to do with that old man. I don't have anything to do with him. Papa, I don't have anything to do with him. I don't have anything to do with him. Hey! Hey! This man would have caught me here. Hey. Better take this one inside.
So, Romanus, it has gotten to that, eh? From humiliating the youth, from there you snatch their girlfriend away from them. Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself, Romanus or whatever they call you? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Rose.
Huh?
What has come over you and where did you get that information from? Who told you that I snatched his girlfriend away from him? Eh?
Oh, you think I wouldn't know? Eh? You think I will not find out, right? Are you not having an affair with Informer? The shaman's daughter, who happens to be Tobechi's girlfriend? Are you not? Deny it!
Come on, stop, Rose. I'm only trying to help the poor girl because I understand that she needs money, which the foolish poor boy cannot afford to give her. Please stop that.
Look at who want to help somebody. Romanus, you're a wicked man. Very wicked man. And bet me, you are going to reap everything you sow. You will reap it. But let me warn you. You see that girl? She is not going to step her foot inside this house. Bet me. Kolum Romanus, bet me. Bet me. You will see.
Rose. Rose. The only reason you are still in my house is because of my son Donald. Secondly, your beauty. As if you know that I will descend on you. You go and put on these fine shine clothes. Just thank your God. I'm in good mood.
Mom, how sure are you that Dad is having an affair with that village girl?
Oh, you think I'm a fool? I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm hearing. Maybe I don't have sense, right?
Well, men cheat anyways.
What? Is that all you have to say? Your father is a wicked man. And the most annoying thing is that the girl in question is Tobechi's girlfriend.
I understand, Mom. But we have to let sleeping dogs lie.
I'm
Let's
not
go.
going to allow that girl to step her leg inside this house.
It's fine. It's fine. Leave that girl. Let's go.
Leave me,
Let's go. Let's go inside.
Ifeoma, listen to me. I don't want you to destroy your future. I am telling you nothing but the truth. My husband is just using you. And trust me, he is not going to marry you. You better find your way. You better find your way.
With all due respect, ma, I did not force your husband to date me. Yes, I did not force him.
Let me tell you, I know you did not, but you accepted him simply because of the money, right? That was why you left your poor boyfriend, because you want to enjoy wealth. I can help you. I will give you some money to start up a business. So whenever you are ready, come to the house. I will sign a check for you so that you can start up and be useful to yourself, Ifeoma. Stay off! Stay off! I'm warning you now. Nonsense.
Wonders shall never end.
Ah! Ifeoma!
Papa.
What did I just hear?
Papa.
What did I just hear?
Papa, what did you hear now? Papa.
So it's true. So it's true. I should have known. I should have known. All the new clothes, the money, everything. I should have known. You have nothing to say for yourself, is it? You have nothing to say for yourself.
Papa, stop! Stop! Papa, what do you want to do now? Did I kill anybody? I did not kill anybody. And after all, he's the one that came to me. I didn't come to him. He came to me, Papa. He came to me.
That is what you're telling me.
What
that he came to you.
Yes, he came to me.
A man old enough to be your father.
Did I kill anybody? Did I kill anybody?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come back here. Come back here.
Biko, where are you going? Why? Hey!
Come on, wait. This one you are smiling like this. Did you really know? Hey! You are in this village and you don't know what is happening. What happened?
Idane. Kidani fida fuzon kenni.
Oh, wait. What happened?
Imagine what happened. I heard that Chief Romano's wife went to Ifeoma's house to warn her to stay away from the husband.
Are you serious?
Oh, believe it.
Maybe go one more manezi.
Hey! I know that wherever Tobe is now, he'll be happy in the city, relaxing with a very chilled coke. With the story that I just gave to you now.
Okay, my brother left her for long ago. Yes. She's the more reason my brother left for the city. After she followed that old fool because of money. So I could watch it. Who is Ifeoma?
Hey! Ifeoma. See that girl? Honestly, I thought she would respect herself because of the position the father occupies in this village.
You see respect?
Yes, now.
Respect, girl. Hey! Oma, you talk as if you don't know that girl. That Ifeoma, she's so desperate. Ifeoma, Biko. My sister was about going to the market. You are accompanying me. Oma, please, wait. Let me lock the door.
Okay, Mama. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I'll be going home.
Oma, let's go now. Oma, let's go.
I'm because me, I don't have the plans of going to the market. I want to go home.
No problem now. What are friends for? Come, let's go.
I'm just going because of you. We're friends.
We still have
I'm going because of you. Because me, I don't have the plans of going to the market. No problem. I'm just going because of you.
Bring her here.
Stand here. Stand up.
Kenaya, I heard that your poor church brother Tobechi has gone to the city to hustle, perhaps. Do you know the implication of that? You are going to be hungry. You will be begging. Babiala. Babiala.
God forbid! I reject it in
Shut up there! I'm talking, you are talking! Who gave you the ghost of talk?
Hey, go out! Shut up! It's like you. Are you mad? How can you be talking when Chief is talking?
One slap.
Are you talking to me?
Shut up! Now, let me warn you. If you carry this your hunger-stricken body close to my daughter and beg for food or money, I will so deal with you. If possible, I will kill you. I will so deal with you and possibly kill you before that your stupid brother returns from the city. Do you understand me? So stay away from my daughter. Do you hear me? He's not hearing. She's not hearing.
You're not. Do you hear
me? Are you hearing what I'm saying? Answer me.
Did you hear him?
One more.